Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to cover a very important topic that is related to how to stop call recording function in your Samsung mobile. That if you have enabled that function by mistake or by any purpose, then how can you stop, how can you know, and then how can you stop? I am going to cover in this video, so not wasting much of your time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So just coming to the video, I will show you first how will you know. I will dial just a random number, and as soon as it will get connected, you can see here that REC is just it is coming, means here you can see that it is just recording function is activated. So one way to stop call recording is just press the three dots here and then stop call recording. Okay, stop it, it will be stopped. And if you want to permanently stop call recording function in your Samsung mobile, then what you need to do, you have to just press three dots, go to the setting, go to the record calls. Here you are seeing auto record calls is activated, you have to just deactivate it. So this is all what you need to do. The calls which have been recorded will be stored in this location. You can see the three calls have been stored. If you want to activate in future auto call recording function of your Samsung mobile, just tap it on and the calls recording will be automatically activated. If you want to see notification, then you tap it on, but generally this should be kept off. So friends, this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.